leave Afghanistan without thinking about the aftermath or how the people of Afghanistan are going to survive from here. Because in 1989, when the Soviets left Afghanistan, so did everyone else, and Afghanistan descended into a civil war. And about almost 200,000 Afghans died. There was chaos in Afghanistan. And from that chaos emerged the Taliban. And now, after 20 years, if everyone abandons Afghanistan, the situation, number one, the people of Afghanistan, and I'm talking about almost 40 million people of Afghanistan, they are going to, I mean, you could see the worst humanitarian crisis there. But on top of it, if there is chaos in Afghanistan, then it's possible that the same conditions are created which were created 20 years ago when the US invaded Afghanistan. Same thing could happen again if there is chaos. So what should happen is that the international community should just think of the 40 million Afghan human beings there. Whether they like the Taliban government or not should be secondary. The welfare of the people of Afghanistan should be the foremost, and they are facing one of the worst humanitarian crises right now. And they really need help as soon as possible.
My next question is, you know, in a few days, the Chinese Lunar New Year will come. What are your wishes for the Chinese Lunar New Year? And what are your expectations for Pakistan-China cooperation in 2022?
Well, first of all, let me congratulate the people of China for their Lunar New Chinese Year. So I congratulate everyone. My expectations are that you know, we have a relationship with China which is mutually beneficial for both countries, and we hope that in this relationship, because we are looking to raise Pakistan's economy and the well-being and raising people out of poverty, so we hope that we will, you know, we are already learning from the Chinese experience. But there's one thing I forgot to say, which we want to learn from China, is how they have built their mega cities. You see, China has these huge cities now, and the way they have dealt with the problems that come of having mega cities. You know, and I'm talking about air pollution, I'm talking about, you know, the waste disposal. It's a science to manage a huge city. So we are, unfortunately, our cities are growing at a very fast rate. Pakistan is urbanizing at one of the fastest rates. So we also hope to learn from the Chinese experience how they have coped with their urban development.
Your Excellency, Mr. Prime Minister, as Cui said, our Chinese Lunar New Year of Tiger is coming soon. So we hope you can also express your best wishes to our Chinese audience.
मैं चाइना की आवाम को चाइना का जो lunar न्यू ईयर है, मैं सारी कौम को पाकिस्तानियों की तरफ से मुबारक देता हूँ.
शुक्रिया. शुक्रिया.
Okay जी, thank you.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान चीनी मीडिया को खुसूसी इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे, जो कि हमने आपसे शेयर किया. आपको बताते चलें कि उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान और चीन एक दूसरे के बुरे वक्तों में एक दूसरे के साथ खड़े हुए हैं. दोनों मुल्कों के आपस के ताल्लुकात बहुत गहरे और मजबूत हैं. उनका कहना था कि चीन